Learn 3 steps to identify profitable opportunities in live markets for an additional income.
I started to trade on my own without any support of professional traders, and I think my learning curve has been too long.
I thought there would be some very difficult formulas associated with it.
Potential traders are unaware of the truth of trading. They never get to meet professionals, and they get carried away by general public rumors.
For seasoned traders, they do not have a valid, robust trading system. So they make all the profits and then they lose it all back, ending up with inconsistent results.
At Live Trading Evening, you will learn in real time trading strategies that take just 15 minutes a day. You will see us analyzing the markets live in front of you, applying the theory to practice. Next, execution. This is where you place your first trade. Then you're on the path to making an additional income.
What I really liked about Master the Markets were 2 major things. Firstly, the fact that I would have access to professional traders on a one-to-one basis, which I've never had before. And secondly, their transparent trading. No other traders do that.
Really enjoyed it, had a lot of fun.
Great people, great teachers.
I've never traded before, and I was able to pick up things very easily.
It was a great mixture of education and training and also implementation, and you can have support whenever you want to by phoning up the office. It's unparalleled.
When you register for Live Trading Evening, you will receive a free DVD featuring us and other industry-leading traders. Bonus 2 is our online 5-part trading movie, Trader Starter Pack, as shown in the Empire Cinema, Leicester Square. Bonus 3 is a chance to win Money Master the Game by Tony Robbins during our interactive quiz section. So go ahead and register now on this page. We look forward to welcoming you at Live Trading Evening.